Today, guys, we got a bunch of fidget stuff. We've got the fidget cube. We've got this thing, the blue stain on this side. Got these two things. And the almighty fidget spinner. So I think we're gonna do the fidget cube first. Opening the fidget cube right now. It's about to be opened. It's got a lot of things to do on it. There's this little side with like the gears that you can roll. This ball also rolls, but you can also click it. You can just roll these things. Like the game controller kind of thing. There's this thing that you kind of just like spin your finger on it. And then there's these things. These three click, but these two don't. No matter how hard you press, they won't click. And there's just nothing here. You just, I don't know. And then the most satisfying. Yeah. So that's the fidget cube. It is pretty fun. I have already opened this, yes, and I use it a lot. I'm just sitting around doing nothing. I use it. So let's move on to the next thing. It's a snake. This one you just kind of bend around and make different shapes. There's really, truly no point to it, but that's kind of how all the fidget stuff is. So mine's green. A little bit of blue stain. So we got all this. Just get it back to its normal shape. I wouldn't say this is as much fun as the fidget cube. I don't know, I guess you could like make different kind of things with it. Like, there we go. Got like a dinosaur or something. Yeah. There's not much to say about this one. It's got blue stain. Yeah, you can just kind of bend it. Some of the triangles, like you can move them around. But yeah, that's pretty much for this one. Okay, so on to the next one. Fidget spinner. And so these, the things that everyone at my school is using way more often than the fidget cubes. Let's go like this. Just spin. Spins. Good noise. So while this thing never stops spinning, the fidget cube was probably my second favorite. Snake was probably like my third favorite. And I'd say this is probably my favorite. There are people on YouTube who use like an air spring thing, and they make it go very fast, and they use it to break glass. So far, mine just makes this annoying noise. When I hit it against stuff like my phone, just stops. I could just video games. Helps me break Legos. That was pointless. Still spinning. Just keep spinning, just keep spinning. There's a spinning, just keep spinning. When you spin it really fast, and then you kind of move it like this, it's kind of weird feeling. Spins and spins and spins and spins. And Nothing happened. Oh my god! Okay. That just happened. I don't even know what just happened. So this is probably my favorite thing of all the fidget stuff. Me and my friend, we timed it. We timed to see how long it would go when I spun it. And it went for 1 minute and 42 seconds. Spun. Just spun. For 1 minute and 42 seconds. I don't even know what's happening in the background. It's very early in the morning, it's like 6:45. But I woke up at like 5. And I didn't go back to sleep. So as you can tell by my voice, I'm a little tired. I don't know what's going on in the background though. So yeah. These are all pretty fun. I'd say this could probably, if I was like really bored, like on a day with nothing to do, and your parents say you have to go play outside, just grab this and go outside. What's going on outside? What is going on outside my room? I want to put this thing back in the case because my brothers, we all have all the fidget toys, and when he found his this morning, it had like rusted. So it's probably like our essential oil diffusers, but I don't know. Could be, couldn't be, who knows.